Hey y'all, we are trying out a new foundation. It's been on Ulta for a couple of months now, well, a few months now, and I'm not sure exactly when it came out, but it's new to me. This is the VDL Perfect Lasting Foundation. It comes in a really nice frosted glass bottle. It's got 1.01 fluid ounces. I got this at Ulta. It retails for $35. And there's 18 shades. Not great, but I mean, definitely doable. If you guys have watched my videos for any amount of time, you have heard me rave about this. This is the VDL Lumi Layer Primer. And I love, you guys, love, obsessed, wow, almost used it all. Like, I'm down to here. But this primer is beautiful. It leaves a beautiful glow. It does have shimmer in it, but you really can't notice it. In fact, I didn't think there was shimmer in it. You cannot really see it unless you're out in natural sunlight. Then you can see it a little bit. But I use this as a mix-in with my foundation. I use it, of course, as a primer, and I use this as a highlight. It's that good. But that made me want to try this. So I got this, of course I ordered it online, and we try it out today. The claims on this are really, really good. It's supposed to be high coverage, buildable, breathable. We'll get into that in the video if I agree with the claims. You guys know most of the times claims are completely inaccurate, but we get into it. So if you guys want to see how I like this and how long it wears, all that good stuff, then I hope you subscribe, click that bell, and let's hop in. This is the shade V04. I have some on my palette right here. This is a little bit dirty, but I mean, just it's right here. Okay, let me find my sponge that I just had. You guys know I love, love, love this primer so much, but I'm not using it today. You guys know when we do a foundation review, no primers, because that can affect the wear and the finish. I guess where this has sat a little bit, you can see that it's a little bit chunky. I was trying to mix it, but there's a few chunks in there, but I think we'll be all right. I'm just gonna start putting this all over the skin. So I'm just going to use my finger and just start rubbing it on the skin. And then we're going to use a dry Real Technique sponge to blend it out. Okay, I've got this smeared all around the skin, and we're going to start pushing it in. I think it does oxidize a little bit, but it's not bad. So let's see what we're getting here. I was really excited to try this because oh my word, because I absolutely love, like wow, love the primer. And I'm not a big fan of primers, but that one adds the most beautiful glow. It adds moisture to your skin. I tried the other one as well. I think it's called Fresh, maybe, the Lumi Layer Primer Fresh. I don't like that one as much. This one, I'm telling you guys, is so good. So I think off that one layer, we got some pretty dang good coverage. And I'm fixing to punch my better half. I'm telling you guys. He just keeps texting. He knows I'm filming. But with this, I think we got a really, really nice full coverage. And we are using a sponge, given it's dry, so it's not going to pick up as much. That's why I like a dry sponge. And they all don't work dry. They don't, but the Real Techniques works really well. But we're not even using a brush. So a brush would give us even more coverage. But wow, like, wow. I'm really shocked at this. I need to read the claims. I did not read all the claims, but I'll tell you guys that in the intro. But wowee wow. That is beautiful. It does not look heavy. It does not feel heavy. Wow. I think that's a solid full coverage. Where I have more out here, I'm going to go ahead and just try to build it up. See how it builds on itself if we can get more coverage. but you can see it covered all of my redness so well. Yeah, it definitely oxidizes a bit, but that's okay. And I put too much just now. A little bit of this does go a pretty long way. But you see the color difference. I don't know, I'm very, very pleased with this so far. It really took me no time at all to blend out. Really easy. I mean, even on that first layer, it was full coverage and beautiful. And it definitely adds coverage if you build it. So if you want some really super high coverage, you can get it. Like this, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, you guys, I'm stunned by this. Like I said, I love that primer. So, I mean, I was expecting to like this foundation, but I wasn't expecting it to pack a punch like that. Wow. Like, I'm still shocked just sitting here looking at it. Wow. This looks so flawless and beautiful. It does not feel heavy. It does not look heavy. It looks like skin. Like, wow. Like, I can't stop looking at my viewfinder. It looks so stinking good, you guys. Wow. Let me look up the claims of this really quickly. I have to know. I totally agree with these claims. It says it's an ultra lightweight liquid foundation. Yes, like I said, it feels like nothing on the skin. That offers skin perfecting benefits and high coverage and a buildable and breathable formula to provide a natural matte finish. Wow. Like, you guys know how a lot of times I pick apart the claims. Like, they are not at all what they claim to be. No, this one, 100%, it backs up every single claim that it has. It's not set completely yet, but it is setting, so we will see if it's truly a matte finish. But I won't be mad if it's not completely matte. You guys know, normally I don't go for a matte, but this is so light, so breathable, full coverage off the bat, but is buildable. If this is long wearing, this will be my new go-to foundation, period. And it says it's crease proof, long lasting, it's built to last all day, and it's infused with ingredients to keep skin healthy and hydrated. Yes, love that. And how I said it oxidized earlier, I don't think it actually oxidizes because it doesn't turn orange. It just dries down a bit darker. So dry down and oxidation are really different. Oxidizing means that when it hits the air, it turns orange. This is not orange at all. Like, this is so almost dead on my skin tone. It's crazy. So I'm going to go off camera. I know I keep just raving about this, but I'm going to go off camera, finish up the face. I don't think I'm really going to do much, but we'll see. We'll see. I say that and then I end up with a friggin' crazy smoky eye. But I'm going to go off camera and I will see you guys in just a few. Okay, my lovelies, this is what we look like with a full face. I went very, very minimal, but I think that's one really good thing about this foundation is you can really kind of dress it down, or you can go full on glam with it being such good coverage. But this is what we look like. I absolutely love the way that this looks. Now we're going to do a wear test and hope that it wears beautifully, because as of right now, I think this is stunning. Like, it is top notch for me. So take one more look. Just super easy, super simple. I really didn't do any eyeshadow, nothing like that. Threw a little bit of a brown light shade in the crease. I have on Eyelure 005 lashes, and I really, really like everything. So I really can't get over it. I'm so excited about this. I'm so excited. So yeah, I'm going to hush and we will be back later on. I'm interested to see how this lip does as well. This lip is the Tarte Sugar Rush Sugar Coat. So like, I don't know, it almost feels like a powder. It's not a liquid lipstick. So I'm interested to see how it wears. So I don't know why I keep saying so much, but I will see you guys in just a few. You You guys, I have been watching Dolly Parton's Heartstrings on Netflix. I'm on episode 4. I don't think I'm going to like this one as much as the other 3 that I've watched, but oh my gosh, it is so good. Episode 3 really pulls on the heartstrings, and I may have cried. So, yes. But let's talk about this foundation. Oh, and let me tell you guys really quickly, side note, I'm not a fan of this lipstick. It doesn't feel bad on the lips. It feels heavy. You can definitely feel it, and it's kind of like a stain. Once it's completely gone, it definitely has some remnants there. I threw some lip gloss over top, but it's not bad. It's not great. It's not my favorite. So let's talk all about this. I love it. I absolutely love it. I believe this. I know. In fact, I know this is going to be my go-to from now on. Like, it may beat out my other foundations that I love. It is that good. I'm going to keep trying it in different ways. But I know if I can dress it down like this, I can absolutely dress it up and it's going to look just as beautiful. But it feels like nothing on the skin. It's not tight or dry or overly matte at all. Like, at all. I love it. It is full coverage, but buildable to where you can get super full coverage out of it. It's very opaque. I love it. I honestly don't have anything bad to say. Oh, and our wear. Of course, I'm doing a check-in. I have been wearing this for 11 and a half hours. And it still looks fresh. It still looks great. Like, it looks like I haven't even had it on for an hour. I cannot. It is not settling into my smile lines. Like, some foundations settle so badly, it's just a no-go for me. This one has not settled in badly at all. Oh my gosh, I cannot. I'm honestly sad I waited this long to try this out. That's the bad thing I have to say about this. I love it. It's smooth. It doesn't accentuate pores. I do have a little bit of texture right now. Normally I don't have a lot of texture. Thank goodness. I got enough redness. But it does not accentuate pores or texture. It just looks beautiful, you guys. Like, look at this. It's so good. It is so good. It hasn't faded. It's not blotchy or splotchy. Honestly, I cannot say enough good things about this. Like, literally, this checks every single box for me. There's not a lot of shades. There's only 18, but if I'm not mistaken, this is a Korean brand, so they're not gonna, have 50 shades. But if you can find a shade or make a shade work, 100% grab it. And these do go on sale on Ulta. So if you're waiting for it, just keep checking. And then of course we have Black Friday coming up, so if this goes on sale, 100% I would grab it. Even at $35 I would get it. I love this so much that even if I couldn't find a shade, like maybe my tan shade in the summer, I won't be able to find it, I would mix shades. That's how much I love this. Like, obsessed. So yes, highly recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed this very thorough tutorial. No, guys, we're not doing a tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this very thorough review. Let me see. Holy cow, you guys, I cannot talk today. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else. Leave it down below. I have several videos, of course, planned and coming out. I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.